Well, like Khelobedu Kingdom, I'm your number way. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nolotori and you are welcome here. And today I come to you with Khelobedu lesson number 5 as it was requested, and I was asked to give more or to translate more English phrases, day-to-day phrases that you find using in English, and translate them into Khelobedu and how we will be saying them in Khelobedu. So this is what it's all about. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this, and do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to like and to comment. Okay, let's start. Thank you so much. I am sorry. What do you think? Again, that will depend on who you are addressing. If it's an elderly person, you're gonna say le nahana ini, and if it's someone younger or same age as you, o nahana ini, or ube o budevyani, lebelo budevyani. You know, I'm learning English. Gizirudra kekuwa or girudra kekuwa. I don't understand. Nkidwisisi. Could you repeat that, please? Gobela oboseleje if it's a someone same age or younger than you, and if it's an elderly person, gobela leboseleje. Thank you, that helps a lot. Gialebo so utrusije gamada or utrusije gamada. What do you mean? Orao regeni. Nice to meet you. Getrakalede oziba. Getrakalela oziba. Okay, where are you from? Ogwawe guy. What do you do? I assume this is what do you do, as in like where do you work? Like overeka udia. You can say overeka udiaini. What do you like to do in your free time? Orara udiaini o nuina lenago. What's your phone number? I think guys are gonna like this. Kara look. What's your phone number? Nomoro yao irigini, nomoro yao ya phone irigini. Do you have Facebook? Onali Facebook na. Okay, how can I help you? Ngali trusa gaini, ngau trusa gaini. I'll be with you in a moment. Kinyokobalwena anibyale byale, giada anibyale byale. What time is our meeting? Rtagana na gomani, mutagano waborena na gomani. Please call me back at Kubela mfunele ganago. Man, gobela mfunele ga wani, gobela mfunele ga shu. It was nice chatting with you. Ubo kidifa wa balwena, uba kidifa dogu wa balwena. I've never given it much thought. Nkesu ganana gayo nagamada, nkesu ginane gayo nagamada. That's so true. Wabanere zwe ogen nere. Oh no, I'm so sorry. You're not my way. Okay. Oh no, I'm so sorry. You're not my way. When I askisi. Hey, as a shakaji, you know, here I can't do a direct translation, guys. But oh no, I'm so sorry. Oh, yo nama weblina. Yo. Okay, guys, you can just say yo nama way. There's no, you cannot use yo nama way, you know. Oh no. How about eating out tonight? Zagaba bya nase regararela gande. Well, like Khelobedu Kingdom, I'm absolutely starving. I'm exhausted. Gilabile ore, gilabile gamada, gilabile gamkomwe, gilabile zuzumwe. So there's a whole lot of ways you can say that. Gilabile gamada, gilabile ore, gilabile zuzumwe. Stop beating around the bush. Duela jiga. Stop beating around the bush. Duela jiga. Duela kudra. So yes guys, those are the phrases that I had for you today, and please do comment if you would like to know more and have questions or something that you would like me to bring when I bring back the Khelobedu lessons. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked, I hope you subscribed. Love you.